Living in a compact apartment does not mean you have to compromise on comfort or style. In fact, many of today's most beautiful interiors are found in small urban homes where every square foot has been thoughtfully designed. Minimalist living rooms have become increasingly popular because they combine elegance, functionality, and simplicity into one harmonious space. By eliminating unnecessary clutter and focusing on smart design choices, you can transform even the smallest apartment into a bright, inviting, and luxurious-looking home. Whether you're furnishing your first apartment or refreshing your existing space, these clever minimalist living room secrets will help create an interior that feels larger, lighter, and effortlessly sophisticated. Embrace the less is better philosophy. Minimalism begins with a simple mindset. Every item should have a purpose. Instead of filling the room with furniture and decorations, focus on selecting only the essentials that improve both function and appearance. A carefully arranged living room with fewer pieces naturally feels more open and relaxing. When every object has its own place, the room becomes easier to clean, maintain, and enjoy. This approach doesn't create an empty space. It creates a balanced environment where every detail stands out. Let soft colors expand a room. One of the easiest ways to visually enlarge a small living room is by using a light color palette. White remains a timeless favorite, but warm cream, light beige, pale gray, and soft sand tones also work beautifully. These colors reflect both natural and artificial light, making walls seem farther apart and ceilings appear higher. To avoid a plain appearance, layer different shades of the same color through cushions, throws, rugs, and curtains. Adding subtle texture instead of bold colors creates depth while maintaining a calm and cohesive aesthetic. Choose furniture that feels light. Heavy furniture can quickly overwhelm a compact apartment. Instead, select sofas and chairs with slim frames, raised legs, and clean geometric lines. Furniture that exposes more floor underneath creates an illusion of openness because the eye can travel across the room without interruption. Glass coffee tables, narrow side tables, and floating TV consoles further contribute to this airy appearance. Multi-purpose furniture also plays an important role. A storage bench or ottoman can provide extra seating while hiding blankets, magazines, or everyday essentials. Make natural light the main feature. Natural light is one of the greatest assets in any minimalist interior. Rather than covering windows with thick curtains, choose sheer fabrics that allow sunlight to gently fill the room. Arrange seating so it benefits from daylight, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere throughout the day. If privacy is needed, lightweight linen curtains offer an elegant solution without sacrificing brightness. Mirrors placed strategically opposite windows multiply incoming light while making the room appear almost twice its actual size. Keep decorations meaningful. Minimalist design isn't about removing personality. It is about displaying only what truly matters. Instead of covering every shelf with small ornaments, select a few statement pieces that complement your home's style. A large abstract painting, handcrafted ceramic vase, or elegant floor lamp often has more impact than dozens of decorative accessories. When decorations are intentionally chosen, each one receives more attention and contributes to a refined overall appearance. Bring nature indoors. Natural elements soften minimalist interiors and prevent them from feeling cold or overly formal. Indoor plants introduce color, texture, and freshness without overwhelming the design. Low-maintenance varieties such as snake plants, ZZ plants, pothos, and rubber plants are excellent choices for apartment living. Wooden furniture, woven baskets, linen fabrics, and cotton textiles also strengthen the connection between indoor spaces and nature, creating a warm and relaxing environment. Hide everyday clutter. A luxurious living room often appears effortless because clutter remains out of sight. Invest in furniture that includes hidden storage compartments. Coffee tables with drawers, storage ottomans, floating cabinets, and built-in shelving help organize daily necessities while preserving clean surfaces. Before adding new storage, consider reducing unnecessary belongings. Decluttering remains one of the most affordable and effective ways to improve any living room. The less visual distraction you create, the more spacious the room feels. Create height with vertical design. Many apartment owners overlook the potential of vertical space. Walls provide valuable opportunities for both storage and decoration without consuming precious floor area. Install floating shelves for books, artwork, or decorative objects. Tall cabinets and vertical bookcases naturally guide the eye upward, making ceilings seem higher than they actually are. When decorating walls, leave enough empty space between objects. Balanced spacing reinforces the minimalist aesthetic while preventing visual overcrowding. Layer different textures instead of more colors. A common misconception is that minimalist rooms lack warmth. In reality, texture plays a far greater role than color in creating an inviting atmosphere. Combine smooth painted walls with soft wool rugs, linen cushions, boucle chairs, woven baskets, and natural wood furniture. These subtle variations provide richness without introducing unnecessary visual complexity. Layering textures also adds depth, allowing neutral interiors to feel cozy rather than plain. Focus on long-term, timeless style. Minimalist interiors are successful because they prioritize timeless design over short-lived trends. Choose classic furniture with simple silhouettes that will remain attractive for years. Neutral colors, natural materials, and quality craftsmanship create spaces that continue to look elegant despite changing design fashions. Instead of constantly replacing furniture to follow new trends, invest in durable pieces that adapt easily to evolving decorative preferences through small accessories or seasonal textiles. Final thoughts. Creating a minimalist living room that feels bright, spacious, and luxurious is not about spending more money or owning a larger apartment. It is about making thoughtful decisions that maximize every inch of available space.